Today I'm going to have a look at these surface contacts for a burglar alarm, and why the difference in size and what you can do with them. These are normal sized door contacts and these are large door contacts. There isn't really that much difference in size, but we'll come to the reasons why in a minute. Let's turn them over. They are standard contacts, 5 screws on the back, 2 for the actual contact and 3 for spare. Let's put these out of the way a minute. I'm going to be using my continuity tester. Right, I'm going to bring the magnet in. Yep, so we definitely know it works. But watch how far I can take it away before it stops. Not very. Let's do it the other side so you can see it better. Almost out of camera shot, but look how far it's got to come in before it starts again. About 2 centimetres, I would say. Now let's have a look at this one. This one has a lid, so I can't turn it upside down. Right, let's bring in the magnet. Look how far away it is. At least twice as far as the previous one. Look how far I can take it away before it stops. Let's bring it back in. I'd say closer to 3 times the original distance, wouldn't you? That's why I use a bigger one as opposed to a smaller one. The bigger one has more tolerance. But believe it or not, the actual reed switch is almost the same size. They're so small, I'm going to use a screwdriver to point at them. There's the reed switch on the smaller one, and there's the reed switch on the bigger one. They're almost the same size, but the difference with them is the size of the magnets. There's the big one and there's the small one. It really is to do with the magnetism of them. I'll now show you a way of using them and why you should use the bigger one rather than the smaller one. Normally, when you go to mount a surface contact, you'd put the contact up first and then put the magnet on as appropriate. But with the PVC door, you only get one chance. Therefore, you want to get it right first time. There's actually a fairly simple idea. If you get something like blue tack, you can actually put it on the contact on the wrong side. Then you can press the contact where you want it to be. Obviously this is for testing purposes only, and then likewise the magnet, you put that up where it's got to go, again backwards. Then you get your continuity tester, or as I'm using my voltage and continuity tester, connect it to the terminals. Oh, nothing happens. That's because the gap is too far. That is why we have a heavy duty contact. They have a lot of tolerance in them. As before, I've got some blue tack on the back of it. We just stick it up temporarily. Do make sure it's the right way down with the reed facing the magnet. And then with the magnet, same thing again, bit of blue tack on that. We'll put that where it's going to go. As before, we check it with a continuity tester. And I'll open the door. Works every time. Yes, I know it's smooth, but that's only because it's held in with blue tack. Obviously, now we know it works, you could connect it up and then secure it properly with screws. Never ever glue them. If you're wondering where I got the parts from, I'll leave a link in the description below. And if you like this sort of content, a thumbs up would be appreciated. A subscription to the channel, which is free, will be great as well. And as always, thanks for watching.